Hey, what's up YouTube? We're back with another one, and today we're going to check out a quick property in North Chicago, Illinois. We're going to run the numbers, and we have a special guest. So, oh, you're not special no more. So today, my baby, she's out there on the market looking at houses. So I normally like to just, run the numbers for myself, but this is one that we're going to do together with her. And yeah, so once again, North Chicago, and the property is 4 bedrooms, 2 units. The unit upstairs has one bedroom.
It's occupied,
and it's already occupied. And then downstairs is 3 bedrooms, and that's Kanara, my brother's
bigger.
That's my brother's big sister. It's gonna be to our left. It's the second to the end.
The one with the car.
Yup, with the cars. 1606. Oh, it's occupied downstairs?
It is right downstairs. It says upstairs is tenant occupied. Please do not disturb.
And how much is this property?
So the property's on
$135,000. Let's go through the alley really quickly.
So put approximately 5% down. That will bring us to $6,700 of a down payment and around $1,000 monthly cost.
Okay.
Upstairs, I think it's rented out for like it's only 1 room, so.
How much is it?
You don't say.
And it has a garage too.
You do.
Mm-hmm.
So it says 2-car garage. Upstairs is tenant occupied. Separate utilities. Is that one back there?
Yeah.
Can you go back, please?
We're gonna wrap back around.
A lot of cars.
So it's the building that is brick at the bottom, white vinyl siding
The one
top.
below.
The roof is really nice.
It really is. It also says
Has a separate meter, separate mailbox. The door is open. Got good parking.
Electrical and furnace has been updated recently. Decent porch, I like it.
I do too.
So upstairs has one in it, so I guess that's where you come from.
Mm-hmm. Just have to put this up to the window for me.
There you go. So this is option
You
number
gotta let
2.
this guy by, but
Okay. Let's let this person go. Okay. So this is option number 2. This one is for $155,700. 20% down. I forgot how much that was gonna be. Don't come at me. I mean 5% down. It will be $7,700, and then you'll be paying about $1,100 a month. But this is the but. Downstairs unit is 2 bedrooms, and there's a girl right there with Section 8 voucher for $985, and she's paying $75 for the garage, detached garage in the back. So there is your monthly payment. And then upstairs is only 1 room. Recently remodeled. She moved in January 21st, and she's been the first in there since they literally redid the whole thing inside. So that's great.
That's sweet.
You can tell by the windows,
and just once again,
everything.
how much is the property?
Property is $155,700. Detached garage, also renovated, completely done inside and out. Like they just tear this thing apart and put it all back together.
Dang.
Beautiful inside.
Section 8 tenant, huh?
Oh, small unit, that makes sense. If you're like me trying to cut down your living
And once
expenses.
again, how much was the rent on that Section 8?
The rent is a $985 voucher.
Okay.
And she's paying $75 for the detached garage.
Okay.
So even if she no longer wants to pay that garage, she's still making most of my payments.
Mm-hmm.
And I could, I don't know about y'all, but I could just, go in there, whole unit, and just pay $200.
Facts.
I don't know about y'all, but I can do it.
That's doable.
That is sweet. I think that's the only two that right now I keep going back and forth looking at them. Because they look similar to. No, there's a third one.
So, this is the third property. What's the number of the house again?
It is that one that has a B Realty in the front. So. It don't look occupied. It doesn't. It says like it's not occupied. So I guess these are that one. So that one, if you put 5% down, it's gonna be about $1,000 a month. It actually is $114,000. It has 2 units, 2 bedrooms in each unit, and the same as the other one, it was completely rehabbed on the inside. Plus, it has appliances that are gonna stay if you buy the house. So refrigerators, stoves, microwaves, you name it, in both the units, you're gonna get to keep that.
Wow.
I love it. They remodel even the floors, everything inside, and I think it does make sense.
Hold that for me.
It does make sense. It's completely empty. Like I was telling him, I wanted to get one with a tenant, so like he can start making them payments from start instead of me looking for somebody. But the fact that it already has a lot of appliances, I think will hurt less. Because then
Go grab one of these papers.
Because then it's actually moving ready, On that little mail, take one. They did renovate this because this is not looking like the picture. Looking right from the picture, kind of. The color, the window. So yeah, full basement. But he says 159,000. That's not what he says in here, boo boo.
But they've been knocking the price down to get more people to want to come look at it.
Yes, sir. It's 154, and they cut the price down by 5,000. So that's so. Oh, so he has a washer and a dryer. He has a stove, refrigerator. So it's just like that. That is like moving ready. So I wouldn't have a problem with it being completely empty. Because he has a washer and dryer.
Turn up.
$154,000, and I think it just makes sense. The back is beautiful, and they have an alley. So in case you want to see that. Because the back has like the back entrance and stuff like that. Let me grab this. I know y'all saw the whole house, but
Oh yeah, let's go through the alley real quick.
Description. And the alley, the stairs, I think they were redone. They got a party going on. Me too, because this ain't it. It is not empty. That is the unit. So whose car is this? That's so weird to have even a scooter.
I'm such a big truck. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
You can just go like reverse. That and reverse.
You can't do that.
No, I'm trying to like reverse like into the parking spot that they have in there. So yeah, they redid the. Oh, there's a person right there. They redid the thingy, so I guess it's not empty after all. That is so weird. Cause on God, all the houses they say like they're not occupied. They ended up being occupied, but you never know if it's like the seller or something like that. Maybe they don't plan on staying, so by the time somebody buys it, it's gonna be empty. Oh shit. Okay, this was rough. This is rough.
That rock.
Okay, y'all, this is a tough idea. Damn.
Oh man.
Damn. That was rough.
That was my rocker panel.
Damn. Was it a little scratch or was it something hard? Oh, that was a rock right there.
Nah, it was the smaller one. My rocker panel caught it.
Damn.
I knew I didn't fit. No. Oh man.
Is it bad?
It's just my stuffing thing.
Aww.
It's cool though.
Okay, y'all got like extra footage of it.
But shit, that's about it. So.
Yeah, that's how. Well, that makes sense. But I have that question that if they're not completely empty, why do they say like they are? Is it because they probably not going to renew the lease? They're not going to stay? What you think? How are we processing the situation?
You talking about the house back there?
Yeah, why would they, in the properties, why would they say like rent out a unit like they're empty if they are not empty?
To be extremely honest with you, I don't know. So, alright, so that's about it.
That's about it. So, that's about it. You want to do the bye-bye?
You can do the outro. Oh, look at the little dog.
Where's the little dog?
The baby dog.
I don't see the baby dog. Oh, I saw the baby dog. Okay, guys, so that was it. That was fun. That was reckless. Make sure you comment below, you subscribe, you like, you share. Got hiccups. You like and share, subscribe, comment. Show this video to your mama for Mother's Day. I don't know. Get creative and just stay blessed.